Thank you. An update now on a story we've been tracking for months. Earlier this year, a Providence immigrant married with 2 children was detained for nearly a month by federal immigration officials while she was trying to gain legal status. Late this afternoon in a Boston federal courthouse, a key decision was made by a judge in a class action lawsuit filed on behalf of that woman, Lillian Calderon. Eyewitness News reporter Steph Machado has more on what happened and how Calderon is reacting tonight.
The immigration lawsuit claims the government beckoned Lillian Calderon with its left hand, grabbing her with its right. Thursday, a judge ruling against the government, paving the way for the Providence mother's case to move forward.
We're here so that no one else goes through this.
30-year-old Lillian Calderon from Providence speaking outside federal court in Boston earlier this week as a judge heard arguments related to her lawsuit filed by the ACLU against Immigration and Customs Enforcement and Homeland Security Secretary Kirstjen Nielsen. Thursday, that judge ruled against ICE in their motion to dismiss the case. We sat down with Calderon and her husband, Louis Gardillo, in May. High school sweethearts.
We met in Mount Pleasant High School. I was a freshman and he was a senior.
Calderon spent a month in detention after she was arrested by ICE at a U.S. Citizenship and Immigration office in Johnston. They were there for a marriage interview as part of the process for her to gain legal status.
I was completely blindsided because we were following the steps that were implemented, something that we could legally follow.
The ACLU claims the 2 government offices conspired to trap immigrants by scheduling the citizenship interviews and then inviting ICE to take them into custody. Calderon says her 2 children were traumatized by the separation.
They just went through such a horrific experience, things that they're still seeking professional help to get over.
After Thursday's ruling, Calderon said in a statement, "Louis and I were trying to do what the government asked of us so that our family could continue to be together. While this process is difficult in so many ways, Louis and I are delighted that the judge has rejected the motion to dismiss and allowed the case to proceed. This gives us hope that no other family will have to endure what we have." And a spokesperson for ICE declined to comment on the ruling because the case is still pending. A judge also ordered the government not to deport Lillian Calderon while the case is ongoing. I'm Steph Machado, Eyewitness News.